Okay guys, here comes another Cooking with Pouncy tip of the day. I try to incorporate some of these in our videos, and you know, they're simple, of course, and we've done several. You'll be seeing those as you subscribe to our channel, and we certainly hope that you do. So anyway, I have in front of me here a glass, and this is just a vessel to hold these utensils. And then my question to you is, what's wrong with this picture? Okay? And I know you guys have seen it before. I've seen it many times. It's one of my pet peeves when I go to restaurants or concession stands. But anyway, guys, just in case some of you guys didn't know, and you see this in a restaurant setting, environment, if you will, or any other setting where you're getting your utensils, they got to be turned the other way. This is a no-no, big-time no-no. You saw what I just did when I took it out of the glass. They go like this, and not with the tines of the fork and the spoon and the knife sticking the other way. Okay, that's a simple one for you. The other one too, just a voice one for you as well, is that there's a certification process in the food industry called ServSafe. I only mention ServSafe because there's probably other entities or vehicles out there that rely on keeping people safe in restaurants. I just know of one called ServSafe, and it's kind of a universal one. That one is, as I know. But someone, I think the rules go that someone has to be ServSafe certified in that facility that knows about ServSafe, so that people will know what to do in terms of cross-contamination, and has been trained and certified on that. If you go to a restaurant environment, my wife and I have been to them, we've seen ServSafe certificates on the wall, and we've asked, because we saw infractions. One infraction was the cashier was handing us, it was a fast food joint, and you can envision, we've all seen this, the cups sometimes are inverted like this, sometimes the plastic cups are this way, but the cashier that just took our money grabbed my cup, my cup in particular, like this, and was going to hand it to me, and I just kind of put my hands up, backed away, and I said, "Are you ServSafe certified?" He had no clue what ServSafe meant, and there was a certificate on the wall behind him. So again, keep in mind, there could be someone in that premises that's certified, so that helps to keep you safer. So just for a learning thing and knowledge, if you will, when you see an infraction, you need to say to them, "What about your ServSafe certification?" I have no idea what that buzzer is behind me here. I know what it is. It's my 15 minutes is up for my dinner. Okay, so that's a quick one for you guys, and thank you for watching Cooking with Pouncy's Tip of the Day.